kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Bible Class TV. Let's learn and grow together with Jesus. Our story for today is The Crippled Woman. Are you ready? The Crippled Woman. On a Sabbath day, when Jewish people did not work, a crippled lady made her way to a synagogue in Jerusalem. The person teaching in the synagogue that day was called Jesus. Jesus noticed the crippled lady who was completely bent over. She could not stand up straight as her spine was so crooked. Every day, all she saw was the ground and people's feet as they walked by. Looking up was so hard and so painful. Jesus was filled with love for the poor woman and called her to come to him. Jesus placed his hands on her and said, "Daughter, you are set free from this disability." Immediately, she stood up straight. Her back was completely healed. For the first time in many years, she was able to see people's faces again. Overcome with joy, she praised God and thanked Him for healing her. The crowd were also amazed at this wonderful miracle that Jesus had performed, and they rejoiced with her. But the leader of the synagogue became angry because Jesus had done this miracle on a Sabbath day when people were not supposed to do any work. "There are 6 days to work and 1 to rest," he sneered. "So come and be healed on one of the working days, not the Sabbath." "You hypocrite," Jesus replied. "Does not each of you on the Sabbath untie his ox or his donkey from its stall and lead it to water? Then why shouldn't this woman, who has been crippled for 18 long years, be healed the Sabbath day?" Jesus left that synagogue, and great crowds followed him everywhere. Everywhere he went, they saw him make sick people well, because with Jesus, nothing is impossible. The Bible tells us that this woman and the crowds that saw this miracle were rejoicing at all the wonderful things Jesus was doing. Don't forget our memory verse. When Jesus saw her, he called her forward and said to her, "Woman, you are set free from your infirmity." Then he put his hands on her, and immediately she straightened up and praised God. Luke chapter 13, verse 12 to 13. Once again, let's learn and grow together with Jesus. See you soon!
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. subscribe, like, and share. Thank you!